the G mix. You know what I'm
I
saying?
know she said she bad pan the John.
Mhm.
Yeah, man, you see it like me say me love the thick girl them too, you know, so you know it go already.
Mhm.
Who
You
take
know?
the fake one them? The one them see them slick thick.
Oh,
Who take them one?
you see it.
Give them some fall pill.
Yeah, man. That's how it goes. Same way. Like me say, you know, to everybody gonna be entertained because, like I said, we got the hip hop version, we got the reggae R&B. You know, maybe the next mixtape we're gonna do some Afro beats or something. We show you how
I'm ready for
versatile.
them man. I want to
Yeah, it's that. We're gonna show them how versatile it is. You see it.
Don't know man. My day I see him way man. Whenever I'm ready, me ready man.
Yeah, man. But it's
Family
that.
thing, man.
It's that like me. I say, you know, we know you're versatile. You got the reggae industry lock. You got the hip hop R&B. So me I say just tell you like a little of the artists them will inspire you. You know me I say the hip hop artists them, the reggae artists them.
Well, you don't know, man. I gotta start with the hip hop thing, you know. Jada Kiss, Fabulous, Young Jeezy, and the Dog Money Bags right now, B. See me?
Yeah.
Yard Thing, Beanie Man, Vibes Cartel, Spragga Bands. You see me?
Yeah, man, me like that because you said the Beanie Man thing because your next track, you know, it kind of namesake we want a Beanie Man tune. So, you know, me know the girl them sugar Beanie Man from years, you know, the world dance king. Them call him, you know me I say, king of dancehall, even though now there's a dispute between him and Vibes Cartel. So,
Well, I can't tell everything.
you see it.
And
But-
then me.
Yo,
Alright.
that's how it come on. Me love
I
that.
go.
So, you know me I say, like, the girl them sugar your next song, or you say the girl them sugar part 2.
Nah, man. The new girl.
Oh, the new girl them sugar. So
Yeah,
Beanie Man was the old girl them sugar.
Him do him job, man. Put it that way. Them do him job. I mean, bound to give him a fight, but him still win with the girl them. You
You
see me?
see it. I'm back in the ideas Beanie Man saying what the girl them sugar pan.
Yeah,
Say,
man. Touch him
me.
and taste him,
You
man.
see it?
Yeah,
So
man, me the girl them chocolate,
Yeah,
man.
man,
The man
so-
to dip, man. I'm tell you.
these are the modern day girl them sugar.
Yeah,
So
man, the new
you
girl
know
them
me I
sugar
say,
there.
DJ Mikey Q.
Yo, Mike.
Make we you
Yes,
I
sir.
say,
Yes, sir. Let's get
Run
into
it,
it.
man.
Let's get into it. The new got him sugar.
DJ Urkel from Black Emperor Sound.
So you hear what the man have to say about the song. Here we go again. Pure fire tune. Courtesy boy S. That. Here we go.
DJ Urkel from Black Emperor Sound.
See the gal them daddy, I cocky them want like MoneyGram. Send it go give them me have many gal. Come here little petty gal, make me show you how man steady gal. Sit down pan body can benny gal. Tear up the feet, but me sing the third leg in ya. Blood up the place, make them things smaddy dead in ya. Pussy start swell up, she no care, she a begging ya. Say the fuck good, but she want cocky in her mouth. Them gal them me like it, too itty tighty, so me have to spice it. Gaffy gal shoot out me and Craig a splice it. Tell her come dance pan the cocky like a ant pan the river pan the bank, then we side to side them. Black life matter, but the white gal me like them. Sentan gal them, the whole of them a wife them. Portmore gal them, me love how them whining. Brooklyn gal, me love for no timing. Clean off the cocky, then get the climbing. Gal see the cocky ya, remember me tell you, deep throat gaggle ya. But don't vomit ya, one back shot, chest scream and a begging ya. Oh gosh. She fly to the door in the half a frack. Grass left round the back. Pussy too swell for that. So the flight left at 12. Baby at 3 o'clock.
All right, let's start. That was the new got him sugar. Not the old got him sugar,
Nah,
but
man,
the new one.
new and improved thing, man. You don't know. I am Cat Branson, you know. AKA Click Beast, you know.
Okay, all right. Urkel, what you think of that tune there?
Nah, man, a wicked tune that. You see it. I love the vibes, you know.